7 passive income methods with little to no money. Imagine sitting on a comfy chair and watching your favorite show on your TV, then suddenly a thought crossed your mind. You wanted to make passive income. However, when opening your bank account, you're welcomed with little to no money. Hello there, awesome people! This is Finance Boss, and I'm back with another video that will give you 7 passive income ideas that will get you started on your passive income journey. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to like and share this video. So, let's get on the video. Number 1. Leverage high-interest bank accounts. If you have money laying around in the bank and have never really thought twice about it, then more likely than not, you are not maximizing the returns on these funds. While using bank accounts to make passive income won't make you rich overnight, moving your money into higher yielding accounts can help your money grow at a faster rate than you've normally been experiencing. And you know what the best part is? Is that most banks don't require a minimum balance. Meaning that even if you don't have much money to your name, you can start to gain a little bit of extra interest on the money you do have. As of 2019, the average savings account interest rate was a measly 0.09%. What a lot of people don't know is that there are a number of better options available. Now you're probably thinking how much of a difference this will make on a yearly basis. Well, if you had $500 in a standard savings account earning just 0.09% annually, you would earn just 4 cents a year, a measly 4 cents. However, in the high-interest bank account, earning 2.44% annually would leave you with $12. It takes next to no effort and will only compound as you contribute more into the account. Number 2. Start a blog. If you're a good writer or even a mediocre one, starting a blog can be an excellent way to make passive income. While starting up a blog does take a good amount of work up front, once you have your content online and it starts to gain traction within the Google search engine, you'll be making money whether you continue to publish content or not. As your blog gets views, readers will interact with your site. This can be by following your affiliate links and buying products you recommend, purchasing courses you build, or just helping you make money using Google AdSense. One thing to note about this method of making passive income is that it takes quite a bit of effort, especially in the beginning. This is because to gain traction on your site, you will need to research, write, and market your content. But like I said, after the content and it's live, it will make you money month after month, and one of the big upsides of starting a blog is low startup cost. All you need is the domain and web hosting, which can be very affordable. Number 3. Sell an ebook. If you like the idea of writing but don't want to deal with the technical headache they can come with blogging, consider self-publishing your ebook. Ebooks are often much sorted in the normal books, which put less of a burden on you to produce a masterpiece. What's even better is how cost-effective this method of making passive income can be. If you have a computer, then you're in a good position, as all you need to publish your ebook is your Word document containing your text and a cover image. Now, you can insource all of your writing, editing, and graphics yourself, but if you want to spruce up your book, getting professional help can be very affordable, and proofreading can also be contracted out for cheap. Number 4. Sell an online course. In the 21st century, information is the most valuable asset, and one of the best ways to take advantage of the information age is through the sale of digital products like online courses. Now you may be thinking, I have no idea what I could create a course about, and don't worry, that's normal. The good news is that there is a market for just about any information product online, from courses on web development to productivity and even journaling. Chances are you are skilled in multiple areas, of which at least one of them can be used to create a value-packed course. What's better is that the cost of creating an online course is quite low. Most courses consist of either audio in a slideshow or a video of the course creator, which can be manufactured using your smartphone, meaning that you don't have to invest any money to start leveraging this passive income method. Additionally, selling your courses can be cost-effective too, as multiple platforms exist where you can host your course for free and receive a percentage of the profits when you make a sale. Therefore, with your current knowledge and a computer and a smartphone, you could be making passive income in no time. Number 5. Start an ad agency. Think about how many small businesses are in your city. Chances are most of them are not effectively using social media to attract more clients or drive more sales to their business. Most will have a regular Facebook page, but that's not enough to spread the word in today's crowded newsfeed. That's where you can come in as a Facebook ad agency owner. One of the best parts about this business model is that once you have a client's advertising campaign set up and running smoothly, there's very little ongoing work needed on your end. Outside of checking in for a few minutes each day, it's a relatively hands-off business model. You can be an agency of one person, or you can choose to expand as they start to serve more clients. Even with very little experience, learning the art and skill of Facebook ads is doable and can be very inexpensive. You see, offering services like Facebook marketing is beneficial because you were trading experience for dollars, which typically involves less capital upfront than opening up a brick-and-mortar store or creating a physical product. Number 6. Create an online store. With the explosion of e-commerce comes the opportunity to create a passive income stream used in an online store. In particular, drop shipping has become very popular, and if you're unfamiliar with it, here's how it works. You create an online store that offers products from certain manufacturers. A person visits your site and orders a product, and then your system sends the order to the specific manufacturer. The manufacturer then completes the order by shipping it directly to the customer, at which point you collect the profits. One of the cool things about this type of business is that you don't need to order inventory, meaning a much lower initial cost, making it perfect if you have little money to start with. Moreover, setting up your shop can be inexpensive as well. In short, once you have your store set up, the rest can be completely automated, meaning that you'll be earning income no matter what you're doing. Number 7. Start a YouTube channel. For many people, YouTube is how they earn their living, and much of this income comes in a passive form. You see, every time someone watches one of your videos, ads can appear and you can make money from those ads. Now, the reality is that running a YouTube channel is anything but passive in nature, as building an audience takes consistent work and video output. But once the videos are released, it acts as a digital asset, accruing your ad revenue and hopefully sales over time. What's better is that starting a YouTube channel doesn't have to be expensive. Most YouTubers like MrBeast, the YouTube sensation with over 20 million subscribers, started their channels using just an iPhone. Therefore, creating your channel and making a passive income through this means it really shouldn't cost you anything. Now that I've shown you the 7 passive income methods with little to no money, earning income while you sleep can become a reality. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start making your own passive income with these ideas. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something, please don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment about the ideas that you wanted to try. This is Finance Boss, and see you again next time.